Today, with Valentine's Day not far away, I thought we could make some flowers with these little bits of wood that I found. Let's get going. Well, I've never done one of these before, so it's going to be fun. I'm going to get it round. Obviously it's round, but it's not round. So I'm going to get it round first. So let's go. Pretty good. Right, let's turn it round. That should go straight in the chuck, I'm hoping. Let's do that. Right, looks alright. Right, now we need to hollow it out. Oh, where have I put my calipers? As usual, they were right in front of my face. Right, so what are we looking at here? 45, so let's go for a 40. Taking it about 300. Let's see how we go. That will do nicely. It's a bit wet. This is a branch I kind of found. I think it's apple, and I found it outside a couple of weeks ago, and I thought I dried it out, but it's a bit wet still. I need to clean up the inside a bit. It's going to need a bit of sanding. Actually, let's do the sanding bit now, because I reckon once you've cut the petals in, you've probably had it. Now I'm going to use my extremely expensive, very effective sanding tool. You never put your fingers in here with a piece of sandpaper around it, because what will happen is the sandpaper will catch and it will twist your finger right off. And I quite like my fingers, so I'm going to use my patented sanding doodah thing. Should just about go in there. Right, I'm just going to just very gently trim off the little lip here which I left on. Okay, let's mark it out again. I did it wrong earlier. I reckon there's 2 and there's 2. Now we need to mark on the quarters. So I'm going to use my chuck as a guide. The jaw clamps. That should be okay. It doesn't have to be exact, obviously, because I've never known a tulip that grows exactly right. And then we need to mark the middle between these. And then transfer that down to this end. Oh, it's kind of weird having to do this all cack-handed. Alright, now the fun bit. Now a lot of people do this by hand, and you can, certainly. But I'm not going to, because I have a nifty trick that I'm going to try and probably mess it up entirely, but we'll see. So I've got a Dremel here. Other rotary tools are available, and a little wood cutting disc on the top. So I'm going to try, I reckon, there, and cut this with this. You can use a coping saw for this, or even a big saw. I've seen people do it with a few different things. Wow, that went better than I thought it was going to. Burnt it a bit, but we've got to do a lot of sanding on this anyway, so it should be okay. I've got some fabric back sandpaper here, so I'm going to tidy these up like this. I'm not going to make you watch all of this. I should do a lot of that probably for the next several weeks, and I'll bring you back after I've finished. So there we go, 17 days sanding later. I know I could have gone a bit thinner with the petals, but I'm a bit of a wimp. I've seen a couple of videos done on these, and only a few of them seem to do it this way, where you actually kind of hollow out the inside. There seems to be two distinct ways of doing it, and I think I prefer this one, although I haven't tried the other one. I also did think for a second this could be a very interesting negative aspect inside out project, but the thought of trying to do that just kind of made my brain go pop, so I haven't done that. Make sure that you've got good ventilation when you're doing thinners or thinners based products, because it's nasty old stuff. I'm going to wipe around the inside when it's off. It's a lovely grain in it. Lovely grain. It's just some wax 22, wood wax 22. Dries ever so fast. It's amazing. Now I'm going to be really careful not to get the rag stuck in the petals, because I reckon that would be the end of them. They're not as delicate as I could have done, and next time I do it I'll probably go a lot thinner. That's good. Right, let's get this off. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. Nearly forgot. I want to put a little stem on the bottom. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not already. It'd be great to have you in the community. I hope this video has been interesting and given you an idea of something that you can make for a loved one. See you next time. Bye.